Does your garage feel more like a messy storage unit than a useful part of your home? If you've got a tiny garage, it can be tough to fit everything in without it looking crowded and chaotic. But here's the good news. With a few smart design and storage tricks, you can turn even the smallest garage into an organized, functional, and stylish space. In this video, I'll share 12 powerful storage and design secrets that will help you make the most out of every inch of your tiny garage. Secret 1: vertical storage is king. Stop thinking only about the floor, start using your walls. Install wall-mounted shelves, pegboards, or slat walls to hang tools, bikes, and even garden supplies. Vertical storage clears the floor and makes the garage feel bigger. Secret 2: ceiling racks for bulky items. The ceiling is wasted space in most garages. Overhead racks are perfect for storing seasonal items like luggage, sports gear, or holiday decorations. Just make sure to keep frequently used items within easy reach. Secret 3: foldable workbenches. If you want a workspace but don't have room, install a fold-down workbench. You can pull it out when you need it and tuck it back against the wall when you don't. Secret 4: modular cabinets. Invest in modular storage cabinets that can be customized. Tall cabinets for tools, smaller drawers for hardware, and lockable sections for safety. Everything has its place. Secret 5: clear storage bins. Forget digging through boxes. Use transparent bins with labels so you can see exactly what's inside. Stack them neatly or store them on shelving units. Secret 6: multifunctional furniture. For garages that double as a hobby or workout space, choose furniture that serves two purposes, like benches with hidden storage or cabinets with fold-out tables. Secret 7: bike storage solutions. Bikes eat up a lot of floor space. Use wall-mounted hooks, ceiling hoists, or vertical bike racks to free up valuable room. Secret 8: zone your garage. Divide your garage into zones, one for tools, one for sports equipment, one for storage, and one for your car. Having clear zones avoids clutter and saves time when you're looking for things. Secret 9: lighting upgrade. Many garages feel dark and cramped because of poor lighting. Install bright LED lights to make the space feel open, safe, and easier to work in. Secret 10: magnetic strips for tools. Keep small tools organized with magnetic strips mounted on the wall. They're perfect for screwdrivers, wrenches, and scissors. No more searching in messy drawers. Secret 11: stylish finishes. Your garage doesn't have to look boring. Paint the walls with light colors, add epoxy flooring, or even decorate with wall art to make it feel like a real extension of your home. Secret 12: think compact and foldable. When space is limited, compact and foldable items are your best friends. Foldable ladders, stackable bins, and slim storage racks save you both space and stress. So there you have it, 12 storage and design secrets to completely transform your tiny garage. With the right strategy, even the smallest garage can become an organized, functional, and stylish space. Which of these secrets are you excited to try? Ceiling racks, foldable workbenches, or vertical storage? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other videos on smart storage hacks, modern home design tips, and space-saving furniture ideas. Because remember, it's not about how big your garage is, it's about how smartly you design it.